Kawasaki Ninja 650 Best Motorcycle to Learn On. Before you start poring over biker forums and Google searches for best beginner motorcycles, you need to consider some good learner bikes. Most rider schools offer standard street motorcycles to learn on, and that's certainly a good choice. However, the learning won't stop once you get your endorsement. As a new rider, you'll need to constantly practice and hone your skills before you're fully confident on the bike. Keep this in mind when choosing your first motorcycle. You'll need something that's easy to handle, forgiving, and reliable. There's nothing worse than trying to wrestle a motorcycle that's too big and too powerful for you as a beginner. Next, think about the type of riding you'll want to do. Will you mostly be commuting on your bike? Do you want to get into adventure motorcycling and travel? Are you into sports bikes or off-road riding? As you progress, your priorities may change, and you may end up changing disciplines or buying multiple motorcycles, but a good motorcycle for beginners will typically be capable of handling a little bit of everything. Street motorcycles like Yamaha Tracer and Kawasaki Ninja, as well as Honda NC models, are great bikes to learn on regardless of what discipline you may choose down the line. Reliability and maintenance. Next, you have to consider things like reliability and maintenance. Most modern motorcycles do not break down easily, and, as long as you service the bike regularly, you shouldn't have any issues. However, some bikes are more highly strung than others and may require additional care and frequent service, and for new riders, this can be intimidating. Finally, think about your budget. Are you buying new or second-hand? Are you looking for a bike that's brand new but affordable? Price points matter when you're looking for an entry-level motorcycle because, once you've mastered the basics, you may want to move on to a different machine, and there's no point spending tens of thousands of dollars on something you may decide to change within a year or two. Kawasaki Ninja 650 Review. Built to embody Ninja registered sport bike lineage, the Ninja registered 650 motorcycle comes packed with a sporty 649 cubic centimeters engine, next-level technology, and sharp styling. Unmistakable sport performance is met with an upright riding position for exciting daily commutes, while a supreme level of attitude reminds you of its legendary heritage. Ninja registered 650. MSRP non-ABS, $7,899 to $8,099/MSRP EBS, $8,299 to $8,499. Additional vehicle features: twin LED headlights, flush-fit windshield and upper cowl, comfortable passenger seat, Dunlop SportMax Road Sport 2 tires, Kawasaki genuine accessories sold separately. Ninja registered 650 KRT edition. MSRP non-ABS, $8,099/MSRP EBS, $8,499. Additional vehicle features: twin LED headlights, flush-fit windshield and upper cowl, comfortable passenger seat, Dunlop SportMax Road Sport 2 tires, Kawasaki genuine accessories sold separately. Exclusive Kawasaki Racing Team, KRT, color and graphics. Top features: power, perform in the clutch. An assist and slipper clutch helps to put the power to the ground while providing an extremely light pull at the lever and reducing rear wheel chatter during downshifts. Styling: aggressive and sleek. The Ninja registered 650 motorcycle stands out with angular styling, aggressive headlights, an upswept tail cowl and a TFT color instrument panel. Styling: sharper Ninja registered styling. Sharp styling comes with aggressive bodywork and twin LED headlights for a sporty appearance. The windshield is positioned low and is mounted flush with the upper cowl for a sleek design. A thick passenger seat not only provides a comfortable seat for the passenger but improves hip support for the rider. Styling: comfort meets design. The upright angle of the windshield maintains sufficient wind protection for a comfortable ride when speeds pick up. Styling: comfort meets design. The upright angle of the windshield maintains sufficient wind protection for a comfortable ride when speeds pick up. Technology: high-tech electronics, TFT color instrumentation and Bluetooth registered smartphone connectivity add high-tech elements to the ride and allow you to connect to the Ninja registered 650 motorcycle like never before. Technology: Take control from your phone. Bluetooth registered smartphone connectivity, using Radiology the app * connects you with your bike like never before, allowing you to view vehicle info, riding log, phone notifications, and general settings. Radiology the app is not intended for use during vehicle operation. Only use Radiology the app when the vehicle is not being operated and it is safe to do so. All trademarks, registered trademarks, logos, and copyrights are the property of their respective owners. Technology. Useful information at a glance. All digital TFT, thin film transistor, color instrumentation gives the cockpit a high-tech, high-grade appearance and visibility. The screen's background color is selectable, black or white, and screen brightness adjusts automatically to suit available light. Display functions include digital speedometer, digital bar-style tachometer, gear position indicator, shift lamp, fuel gauge, odometer, dual trip meters, current and average fuel consumption, remaining range, average speed, total time, coolant temperature, clock, battery voltage, Kawasaki service reminder, oil change reminder, and the Kawasaki economical riding indicator. Handling. Nimble and responsive. The Ninja registered 650 motorcycle delivers the thrills with a perfected trellis frame design for agile handling and maneuverability. Handling. Sport gets sportier. Dunlop SportMax Road Sport 2 tires contribute to the sportiest and most enticing ride yet. Handling. Strong foundation. Agile ride. A light and slim chassis features a trellis frame and horizontal backlink rear suspension for nimble handling and excellent traction response, resulting in a more direct connection to the road. With all of this in mind, here are some ideas for the best beginner motorcycles in different disciplines.